Yo guys, how are you? I was waiting for you for so long. If you wanna know the best techniques of meditation, stay tuned till the end of the video. So guys, today I'm gonna share with you with the best meditative techniques I know. I've been practicing meditations for more than 10 years and I know lots and lots of different techniques. That's why I'm kinda guru. I have my own meditative channel. It calls a mega meditation. You can find there guided meditations. Please check the link down below. And let's start. What you should know about meditation. As it's commonly known, meditation is the best way to relax. But there are some difficult techniques of meditation, and if you are an experienced person and you would like to try to meditate correctly, you should know some points about meditation. You should know some information about meditation. Rhyme. First of all, everybody thinks that there is a common meditation position, sitting down with crossed legs, but it's not important at all. You can meditate in every position you want to, but this should be comfortable position for you. I prefer meditating lying down. The common thought exists that you shouldn't move during your meditation, but I can tell you, you can move and change your position if it's uncomfortable for you. If your body is scratching, you can scratch it, because if you don't scratch your body and it's scratching, you won't be able to meditate. There will be something that disturbs you a lot. Scratching can be disturbing, as you know. Also, the common statement is that you should have no minds at all and you shouldn't think at all. You shouldn't have any thoughts in your mind. It should be totally black. Your mind should be totally empty, without any thoughts, but it's not exactly the correct way. This is really hard task to get rid of any thought. That's why it's better for you to visualize something. And there are a lot of techniques of meditation where you can use visualization. And these are my favorite techniques. I advise you to do visualizing techniques because they are much easier to do. First several years I tried to avoid thinking during my meditations, but it's not possible personally for me. If it's possible for you, you can try to avoid thinking at all. The meditative visualization is not about metaphysical visualization of your future or projection of your perfect best future, because this way you are trying to imagine your best future is more detailed as it's possible, and you're trying to guess what's better for you in your future, and this is hard style, I suppose. When you're lying down or sitting with your legs crossed in your comfortable position, in comfortable atmosphere where nothing could disturb you, nobody can disturb you, you are starting to meditate. First of all, I advise you to start with self-hypnosis, from telling yourself that when you will have counted from 0 to 10, you will be fully relaxed. When you have counted to 10, you're starting imagine your meditation. What types of imaginary situation could be during your meditative process? For example, you can meditate on your totem, animal. This is Indian meditation when you are imagining that you are in some wild place. Maybe it can be forest or rainforest, can be pine forest, any forest you want to. It can be natural surrounding, and you're imagining that you're going through this place. Everything is so beautiful, and when you're getting closer to a hollow, for example, or meadow, maybe some of the animals come to you. Some of the existing animals are coming to you. It can be even a dragon, it can be even a unicorn, because fairy tales characters can be your totem too. And try to see what animal are you meeting. Try to feel the connection with your animal, with your totem. Try to feel how you are transforming into this character or an animal. Further imaginary situation can be developing in any way your mind will imagine it. Also, the great way to meditate is to meditate on crystals. For example, I was meditating for so long using crystals. Crystals have high vibration, as all the esoteric guru think, and crystal or anything in your arm can help you to concentrate. For example, personally, I was meditating using stalactite that was brought from Georgia, from the deepest cave of Georgia. I took this stalactite in every country I was visiting. Try to feel the vibrations of the crystal or of the stone or of the thing you're holding in your arm, in your hand. It could be anything you want, but I advise you to take something natural, something hard and pleasant for you. The third way of meditation is to get back to a place you had visited before. For example, when I was in Bali, I visited a lot of temples, and I meditate imagining myself in one of the temples I visited previously. Also, I could combine this meditation with totem meditation. This process was really relaxing and gorgeous. A lot of Indian traditions thought that the combination of you and your totem is very useful for your psycho-emotional condition and for your personal characteristics, for development of your personal characteristics. Indian thought, and maybe some of them think now, that you can get some characteristics of your totem animal. For example, if your totem animal is wolf, you can orienteer in the forest really well. You can navigate in the forest really well. Like an example, if you're a bird, a hawk for example, you might have or may have really strong sight, maybe really strong sight of your third eye. Some esoterics think this is possible too. This meditation will help you to develop your personality, not only to relax. Also, the good way for calming is meditation on your home, but not the place where you live in. Home, your personal home, can be every place, even the place in your imaginary world. This is a place where you feel yourself totally calm and relaxed and defended, when you feel yourself like you're at home. This can be a place with your family or your relatives. It doesn't matter where it's placed, and you just imagine yourself in such a place and you're trying to see everything around you. You just set the task for your mind, like, I want to see my real home in this world or in another world, and your mind will do this task for you, will solve this problem. Just set the task for your mind. Hopefully you will try some of my meditative techniques, or hopefully you will check my meditative channel, Omega Meditation, using the link down below this video. I'll be glad to see you on my channel. If this video was helpful for you, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be happy to read all of your comments, even if you aren't agree with me. Maybe you are a meditation guru. And see you in my next videos, guys. Stay calm and stay safe.